Hi guys, it's Mandy and I am back. It's been a while, but I've been really busy behind the scenes, and today I'm filming on my little Canon camera because I'm hoping, sorry if I stare at the viewfinder, it's a new camera. I'm hoping that with this camera I'll be able to shoot more content for you guys on Instagram and here, because I won't need my huge setup, so I can take this thing wherever I am. Maybe I'll do some tutorials in the car. Today we're gonna go through the Boxycharm for this month. I really love doing these. I feel like they get my energy up. They're such a good deal, and yeah, they're just fun. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go through PR boxes, and I'm gonna give you guys one of the really big PR boxes that just came in the mail that I think is like one of the prettiest. So that's really exciting, and yeah, that is it. And let's get started. So this month's Boxycharm, it always comes in this box. But I know you guys love these and so many of you are signed up for them. But there are 5 luxury full-size items this month. Sometimes there's 7, sometimes there's 6, sometimes there's 5. And I feel like the boxes have been getting better and better. They've always been really good. The first thing in here is the Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette. I love Dose of Colors. I really support them. And I thought this said Baked Brows, and I was like, why do I need a whole eyeshadow palette for my brows? I was confused. It says Baked Browns. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use some of the PR too that I'm gonna open up. And then there's Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I'm gonna use this to exfoliate tonight, and I'll show you guys like a little iPhone video. Then there's this Touch in Soul Glassy Skin Balm, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates ultimate glow. So this is MSRP 32 bucks. That's why this box is a good deal, because it's like 5 to 7 luxury items for 21 bucks, and you get to try lots of things. So this is what it looks like. I love a good silky base, but I'm very, very picky when it comes to moisturizers because I have some really good ones. This smells really nice. I actually love the smell of this, and my skin turns red whenever I touch it. It's not because of the product. All in all, it's a little bit sticky, which I like as a base because your foundation's gonna stick on there. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually go in with my IT Cosmetics matte CC cream. I really, really love the IT Cosmetics one. I'm so excited for this because I hate being foundationless on camera. In real life, I don't mind it. Okay, so foundation is on. Now we're gonna use the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. And this is MSRP $32, and Dose of Colors, they just always have good products, so I'm really excited for this one because I actually buy their products at Ulta and pay full price. This is what the inside looks like. I've purchased a few of their eyeshadow palettes before, and they're always really good, so that's what it looks like. And this brush is really nice as well. Wow, that's really, really good. So the first color I'm going to apply is, let's do this orangey one. I love how this is festive. Ooh, okay, you guys, this is why I love Dose of Colors. Like, do you see that pigment? Okay, now I'm gonna pick up this right here, this red. Ooh. Wow, this is potent for sure. Look at this, you guys. Oh my god, it's crazy. Okay, I mean, I blew it off and it's still crazy. Okay, this is why I like Dose of Colors. They never disappoint. The founder just knows her stuff about makeup. Okay, I really did not anticipate going this bold, but this is insanely good. I mean, if you guys can't get this in Boxycharm this month and it sells out, this is amazing. So basically use this and got this full look, and then I put this kind of as like eyeliner on my top lid. Okay, so next up I want to do the eyeliner and lip gloss, and I want to do something really pretty. I mean, these are really pretty fall colors. I think with this lip liner, let me just apply and I'll tell you guys more about it. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is a gorgeous color. Okay, so this is the John to Blue Lip Liner Pencil. Master any desired lip color and produce long-wearing staying power with this lip liner. Creamy, highly pigmented, glides on effortlessly. So this is MSRP $5. So over this, I'm gonna put the lip product that came. Let me try this and then I'll tell you guys more about it. Okay, so this is by Iconic London. Let me read the little thing. So this is a lip plumping gloss, and it's MSRP $26. It's non-sticky. It feels very plumping. It's tingling on my lips. Kind of reminds me of like a silkier version of Buxom. Buxom is a little bit sticky, and this is a silkier version. I love this color. It is a really pretty nude. Thumbnail. That's not gonna be my thumbnail, but let me open it for you guys. glides out. Ooh, pretty. It has like these mailers, which I don't know what to do with them. What do I do with them? Maybe send you guys surprises. And then these are lipsticks. It has shimmer on it, but it's not rough. So there's a lacquer or something that's put on it. And then this is what it looks like. Really pretty. Should we swatch one? Let's swatch one. I don't want to ruin these because what if I mail them out to you guys? Wow, that is intense. Did you guys see all that color? Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Would you guys wear this? Okay, I'm gonna leave the rest. I don't want to touch them and ruin them. Now let's move into this PR box that's massive. This is the one I'm gonna be giving to you guys. Pixie has some of the best PR packages. Look at this. You get so much in here. So this is gonna come to you guys. Oh my gosh, there's too much. Ah! I'm getting overwhelmed. To enter, the rules are to follow me and on YouTube, so subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. I changed my Instagram handle. It's Mandy Stefanian now. And then also make sure to like this video and leave a comment down below with anything you want. You can tell me about your day. You can tell me, I don't know, what you're doing, whatever you guys want. So that's that. That's for you guys. And then let's open up a few more. Okay, and then this one is from ColourPop. I just got this in the mail. So these are little lashes, which are pretty cute. I don't wear false lashes because I just get extensions, but this I am excited over. Look at this one. Look how pretty. So gorgeous. And then they also have these like nail stickers. Have you guys tried these? They are expanding into other beauty categories. And these are really pretty. There's like animal print with like pale pink and then red with like roses. So really love this. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely do like a tutorial or something for you guys, maybe on Instagram. And the last thing I want to show you guys, this is actually not anything new that came in PR, but it's this brand called PYT Beauty. They're available in Ulta and Macy's. And I just am really passionate about them because their whole thing is no BS, no bad stuff, and it's clean makeup. So if you have family or friends who are really into clean makeup, and I think we should all be into clean makeup, this is just a really, really great line. And they have the cutest lip glosses. I'm like throwing things around. Like, look at this lip gloss. It's so nice, and it's really nice. I like this applicator. And it's just silky. It's a pretty color. They have eyeshadow palettes. They have everything. The eyeshadow colors are a little bit neutral, so you don't have to go as crazy as this. You can keep it neutral, which I like for work and things like that. But they just have a lot of stuff, and definitely check them out at Ulta because we want to support clean brands. Doing clean products is expensive, and so their margins aren't as high as other brands. So if you get the chance and you're in Ulta and you see them, buy something to support them. Because again, we should all support brands that are doing good for us and our kids. I mean, they're doing it for us, really, because if they launched a non-clean brand, they would make more money. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to enter the giveaway. Again, comment below, like this video, and subscribe here, and also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I love you guys so much. You guys always have my heart, and I've missed you guys, and I hope you're doing well, and I hope your families are okay, and I hope your children are okay, and I hope your parents are doing well, and all that sappy stuff. So I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna go now. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.